Compatible vehicles. Speaker harness for 1998 up Ford vehicles. Easy installation. No cutting into original wires needed. Plugs directly into harness. Add a black electrical tapes. Wide about 3/4 inch, length 16 feet, 1 roll. Repairing spliced wires, cable insulation, wire bundling, and a great all-around house. What you get: 4 total harnesses included, 2 pairs included. Add a black electrical tapes. 12-month manufacturer's warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great buy. Great purchase. Made my speaker install a very easy project. I would recommend this item.